Hi DIY lovers, welcome back to this organic DIY. In today's video, we are making a luxurious and all natural mango body butter that will leave your skin feeling soft, smooth and deeply nourished. Let's get started. First, take two fresh mangoes and line them with a knife to carefully peel off the outer skin. We want to extract both the mango flesh and the seed inside. Once peeled, cut the mango flesh away from the seed and set it aside. Now, using a kitchen knife, carefully cut open the seed shell to separate the inner seed. This seed contains the rich butter we need for our body butter. Cut the mango seed into smaller pieces for easier blending. Next, add the mango flesh and the chopped mango seed into a blender. To this, I will add 120 grams of coconut oil and 120 grams of shea butter. Now, blend everything together until you get a smooth consistency. Once blended, transfer the mixture into a heat-resistant container. We will now use a double boiler method to gently extract all the nourishing oil. Let it cook for about 1 hour on low heat. This helps release all the beneficial properties of mango into our oil. After an hour, strain the infused oil into a bowl, making sure to remove any solid residues. Then, allow the mixture to set overnight at room temperature. The next day, use a stick blender to whip the solidified mixture until it turns light, fluffy and creamy. This process gives our body butter a luxurious, smooth texture. Finally, transfer your homemade mango body butter into a clean container. And there you have it, a rich, moisturizing mango body butter, ready to nourish your skin. This body butter is packed with vitamins and hydration, perfect for dry or sensitive skin. If you enjoy this DIY, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more natural skin recipes and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.